Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Luningning Bautista. I am 38 years old. I live in Bagong Flores, Lupao, Nueva Ecija. My education is high school graduate since 1999 to 2003. I am a single mother with live-in partner in 14 years. His name is Christian P. Cesar. His job is technician. We have 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls. The 2 boys, their age is 12 and 7, and the 2 girls, their age is 11 and 3 years old. My duties, my hobbies are cleaning, cooking, and taking care of my children. As household experience at Pangasinan, serving 4 members of the family, the 2 adults and 2 children. The 2 children, boy and girl, the boy is 9 years old and the girl is 5 years old. They have 1 small pet dog, car washing once a week. I do household chores like cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, gardening and watering plants daily, marketing. I am hardworking, dedicated, honest, caring, and willing to learn the task given. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. I promise that I finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. Please choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.